Hi, and welcome to the Empower Driver app tutorial series. In this episode, we will be discussing how to change your subscription. So let's begin. Using the web browser on your phone, tablet, laptop, or computer, go to driverinfo.com. Click the three lines on the top right corner to open the main menu. Click My Driver Account. Enter the phone number associated with your driver account. Then click Continue. Enter the verification code that is texted to your phone and click Submit. Scroll down until you see My Subscription. Next, click Change Plan. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. You can choose between the Platinum plan, Flex plan, and Daily plan. Once you have chosen the plan that works best for you, click Update Plan. Click X to proceed. By default, your new plan will begin at the end of your current subscription period. You can see when your current plan expires by checking the date under Change Plan. If the date displayed is when you want to change your plan, then no further action is needed. You can also choose to switch plans immediately. If you wish to proceed with switching plans immediately, select Click Here. Please note, payments made to your current subscription will not be applied to the new plan, nor will you receive credit for previous payments. Then confirm to start using your new plan. Thank you for watching the Empower Changing Subscription Plan tutorial video, and remember that together we will empower.